Have you ever wondered where future teachers are made? In today's video, we are going to tour School of Education, where lessons don't just happen in books, but also in life itself. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Masi Sungul, and in today's video, we are going to tour our School of Education here in Rongo University. So for those joining Rongo University to become a future educators, or just you are curious to know the School of Education here in Rongo University, then let's dive into it. So this is Block D, where future educators are being made. This is not just a building, it's where passion meets the purpose, and where your first step into teaching begins. So beside here we have Rongo University is a corruption-free institution. Do not pay any money. Giving and receiving bribe is an offense. So be warned. So starting from here, we have a very tight security. Okay, let me zoom in. You won't be able to see her clearly. So this is the environment. It is a 4-story building. I don't know when was it built, the financial year where it was designed. Starting from this ground floor, we have washrooms on both sides, and then 2 classrooms from that side and this other side. So that makes 4 lecture halls here on the ground floor. Let me show you the size. See, we do have CCTV in our classrooms and those speakers, so that everybody can be able to hear what the lecturer is teaching. Let us see the washroom. It is locked, but the other side they are open. Okay, let us go and check. These are the ladies' washrooms. I think they are similar to the men's washrooms also. I don't know if we have some water here. They are broken. Jesus Christ. During the COVID-19, this is where we were automatically hand drying our hands. So we do have stairs if you want to use stairs to go to the other floors, or use this other side. This is for the disabilities, for those people who have disability or using a wheelchair. So this is a very long way to use. Let us see the surrounding of Rongo University. Everywhere is fenced. See? Let me give you a brief history of Rongo. It was first started in 1970s as a Kitere technical art apprenticeship, and then in 1983 was when it was renamed to Moi Institute of Technology. In 2012, it was then renamed to be Rongo University College, as it was a branch of Moi University. And then in 2016 now, where Uhuru Kenyatta was the president, gave this school a full charter. No, a charter to become a public university. So that's short and brief history of this school. So from this side you can see our laboratories and then men's hostels. Those are some offices. Automatic generator. We always do have a backup in each building. Let us now move to the first floor. Now we are at the first floor. See, ground floor. This is where we called atrium. Normally we do have our exams here sometimes. Here in first floor we do have study rooms. These are the study rooms, the washrooms on each side, and then the classrooms also. So that makes up to how many rooms? 8 lecture halls so far. Wow. We also have Wi-Fi, a very strong school Wi-Fi, so you can use it during your classes or doing your assignments or even joining an online class. I think you can see that spot where we have some students using school Wi-Fi. Let us use the stairs to go up to the second floor. So, would you study here? Drop your answer in the comments and tell me which part of campus should I explore next. Until then, keep learning, keep growing. Rongo University is in Migori County, Kenya, 11 kilometers from Rongo town and 2.5 kilometers from Kanga Junction. The population of those taking education as a course is about 2,800. That is from those taking diploma, degree, masters, and even PhD. So that's a quick tour of the School of Education here in Rongo University. If you are planning to join, or you just enjoyed seeing what campus life is like, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment the next place you want me to explore. See you in the next video.